Guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix high ping, packet loss, stuttering, and jittering on Overwatch 2, and basically all the network issues. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, press on search, and then you just need to write create a restore point. Then press on create, and then you just need to name whatever you like. It really doesn't matter. Press create, and what it does, simply if you mess up something on settings, you can always go back here and restore your PC settings before you apply changes. Okay, all you need to do here is to press system restore, then choose a different restore point and select the one that you created here and complete the steps, right? So this is the first step. Second step, what you need to do here, you need to go on search again, and then you just need to write view network connections. Then you should find maybe one, maybe more than one. So what you need to do here is to disable everything that you don't use. In my case, I disable everything here except my internet connection. And what you need to do here is to right click on that particular task and press disable. Then what you need to do is to go to your internet connection, go to properties. You will see here this option here. So what you need to do here is to only leave client for Microsoft Networks and Internet Protocol version 4 enabled, and then everything you need to disable it, right? Just uncheck it and then apply the changes. Then you need to right click again, go to properties, go to configure, go to power management, make sure allow this device to wake the computer is only option that is on. Then go to advanced, and here you need to copy my settings. So first of all, you need to advanced EEE disabled, RP offload disabled, EEE max support speed, leave it as this, energy efficient Ethernet, flow control, gigabit light, green Ethernet, interrupt moderation, IPv4, checksum offload, jumbo frame, large send offload, V2 IPv4, and large send offload V2 IPv6. You need to disable it, right? Then network address. Here, make sure it's not present. NS offload disabled, power saving mode disabled, priority and VLAN should be priority and VLAN enabled. Receive buffers, leave it as this, don't change anything. Shutdown, wake on LAN disabled, speed and duplex, make sure it's highest available. TCP checksum offload IPv4 and TCP checksum offload IPv6 should be disabled. Transmit buffers, leave it as this, don't change anything here. UDP checksum offload IPv4 and IPv6 should be disabled. VLAN ID, leave it at 0. Wake on magic packet and wake on pattern match should be disabled. And WOL shutdown link speed should be, don't change anything here. Apply the changes. And then right click on Ethernet again, go to properties, go to Internet Protocol version 4, and you need to change DNS server addresses. So basically there is two main DNS server addresses, Cloudflare's, which is 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1, and Google ones, that is 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. You need to basically test it out and look which DNS is performing better. And to do so, you just need to open up CMD as admin, and then you just need to write ping here and put DNS addresses one by one. So first ping 8.8.8.8, and let's look what we're getting here. 7ms with 0 packet loss. And if I put secondary Google DNS server address 8.8.4, 8.8.4.4, I'm getting, as you can see, 0 packet loss in 7ms. If I put Cloudflare's here, ping 1.1.1.1, I'm getting 0 packet loss with 3ms, and Cloudflare secondary, ping 1.0.0.1, I'm getting 4ms. So put the DNS server addresses that is working better for you and apply the changes, restart your computer, look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then I highly advise you to use exit lag. It has 3 or 7 days free trial. You can click the link below and sign up through me and set up your game. I use it when I didn't have Ethernet connection while playing CS2, because without it, it wasn't playable. So I'm talking from experience here. So what you need to do here is to just go to library, find the game, Overwatch, right? Overwatch. Then you need to choose a region, select nearest to you, and then you just need to press apply routes. And once the routes applied successfully, you just need to launch the game and look if you're getting better results or not. So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like.